guys, and welcome back to my channel. So basically, it looks a bit different again, but as you can see here, that's where we usually are. But basically this is a really quick video that I made because basically I got a new phone, as you can probably see from the title of the video. So I decided I was gonna do an unboxing for you and show you kind of like my first thoughts like on this phone. So please excuse my dressing gown and my dirty washing on there. Yeah, and also if this video doesn't look amazing quality, it's because I'm filming it really quickly, and if I look kind of like Jesus bright, it's because I got my lamp on there because it is 7:30 at the moment, so the lighting isn't amazing, and the sun starts there in the morning and is behind me in the evening, so it's really gloomy at the moment, so I had to turn on these lights. But yeah, quick warning as well, this is not going to be a typical unboxing because it's kind of like me setting it up and also my first opinion, like my first thoughts on it. I got the phone from CEX because they're a real shop, and yeah, I wanted this phone, but I didn't want to pay like £800 or £850 for it. Like, I wanted to spend less, so I wouldn't have a big like, oh, I've got to pay another like £300 because I don't have £300 to just spend. Like, £300, I didn't want a big gap in between to have to make up money wise. So I thought, let's save a bit and buy my phone from CEX. But I got it in A grade, so it should be in pretty good condition with its original box and all the original accessories. So it's kind of like an unboxing, but I don't know what condition it is in yet because it's still in here. So yeah, that hasn't got my postcode on, good. So don't stalk me. But yeah, so it's still in here at the moment. So yeah, let's get it out. Okay, so let's cut into this thing. Oh. So after trying for a solid 10 minutes to get into all of that big packaging, I finally got in and here it is. So here's the box. It's obviously not sealed, so they probably used it on display. But hey, that's alright. The box looks in pretty good condition. It's got a tiny bit on there, but that's probably just in the posting. And as you can see, I've got the coral blue colour. 128GB. They didn't do a 64GB model, but I would have got that because obviously I can just put an SD card in for cheaper, but hey. So yeah, let's get into this. Right. Okay, so I've taken this off, and now here we go. It says do not accept if seal is broken, but hey, it's second hand, so we are still accepting. EEA S9 Plus. I'm so excited. Okay, how do we get in? Okay. Oh my god, okay, it looks really nice. Like, oh, okay. Okay, so all of this stuff, oh my gosh. Here is the phone. Okay, so as you can see, it's got a few fingerprint marks on the back, but hey, that's alright. Okay, that looks really nice. There are no scratches or anything on here. Is that a bump on it? And oh no, that's plastic, I think. Ah yeah, it's been wrapped in a plasticky seal. So I should be able to get that off. Just got to find an edge to peel from. We are breaking in. Okay, the sides, it looks really sweet. Like, this looks like it hasn't been used. Like, there are fingerprints, but that's probably just from people who worked in CEX, like, to sort it all out. Okay, so there's no scratches, no dents, no nothing. Yes, okay, this is cool. So right, I'll take the label off. Oh, I hate when you get little bits of sticker that's just left on there. Oh well, I can just get that off later. But still, the coral blue looks really nice. Like, and it looks quite grey in this light. And it kind of is. It's like a dark blue, borderline grey. But it's really nice. It feels really good in the hand. 24-month warranty. Right, okay, let's just put that to the side. Actually, I'll put this in the holder. This is so exciting. And in this little pamphlet, we have SIM ejector and the quick start guide. So I honestly don't think this has been used. Like, it's had its factory seal wrapping taken off. However, that is understandable if it's part of display. Yeah, this has never been used. Like, this is all, yeah, this has, oh my God, I'm so glad this phone has never been used. Oh my God, I got a new phone for £300 cheaper. Oh my God, this is amazing. Right, okay. So see, I've got brand new charging equipment, brand new headphones, little bits for headphones, wall adapter with seal on. Oh my God, this is a brand new phone. Ah! I'm so happy I got CEX. Oh my God. And it's got a 24-month warranty, and you only get a 12-month warranty when you actually buy from people like Samsung or Apple or someone. So yeah, oh my God, I actually, like, I adore this phone. Right, I'm gonna turn it, I'm gonna take this little sticker off the front. Like, thank you for telling us we have a warranty, but we don't need it. There's some sticker marks on here just from like the EE sticker and the 24-month warranty, but I can just wipe over them a bit later when got clean everything. Ah, this looks so sweet and stunning. Okay, let's turn it on. Right, okay. So, Galaxy S9 Plus. Oh, it's turning on. I honestly thought that I was gonna like find it hard to hold this phone. Like, I was gonna find it way too big, but this is brilliant. Oh, we're in. Okay, so it's obviously brand new from EE, because when you go in, it's got the EE app on it. So what I think I'll do is I will go in settings and I will just factory reset it so it has no apps on it, like including the EE app. I think oh look here, so yeah, this is brand new. But yeah, so what I'm just gonna do is settings, and I'm just gonna reset the whole thing and then start from scratch. So reset. Okay, so I'm back and everything is reset to its factory settings. So start, insert SIM card. Right, let's just get this and poke it in the hole. Okay. Okay, yes. Right, and now I'm just gonna need it from my iPhone. Okay, so I've inserted my SIM card. Right. Okay, so now that's my Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'm connected to Wi-Fi and I've got my SIM card in. Checking for updates. Now Google account. Now we are setting up the protections like the PIN and the fingerprints and the face stuff. So I want to set up intelligence scan. That's new. What's that? So I need a PIN. Okay, so now we're setting up something called intelligence scan. So intelligence scan combines face and iris scanning to improve accuracy and security, even in low or very bright light. Set up. Okay, so get ready to unlock your phone by showing your face. Okay, hold your phone 20 to 50 centimeters away. Okay, face has been registered. First results, if you're wearing glasses, take them off. Hold your device 25-35 centimeters away from your face. Iris is registered, okay. So that is all sorted. Next, protect your phone. Yeah, so, okay, now we're nearly finished setting up our phone. Okay, so I'm going to sign into my Samsung account because I used one for a little while before. So yeah, this is exciting. Okay, so now this is when we can swap data over from my old phone to my Samsung. Okay, so now what we have to do is follow the instructions on the screen. Smart switch, copy the content. You apply this adapter onto the end of the iPhone or your old phone charging wire, and you plug that in to the Samsung like that. And then you plug it into the iPhone or your old device. I keep calling it an iPhone, now you're gonna switch. Okay, now it's picked it up and we are gonna be transferring some stuff. So yeah, as you can see, I'm wearing different clothes now than I was just a moment ago. Literally 24 hours later, here we are. So I had a problem transferring my files over from my iPhone to my Galaxy S9 Plus, and basically it took 5 hours. So I plugged it in and it took 45 minutes to get to 99.9% on the transferring thing, and then it stopped. And it stopped for like half an hour, so I thought, okay, we'll just cancel and go again. And then it got to 10% and then didn't go any further. And then next time it got to 5% and didn't go any further. And I was like, oh my god, oh no, do not tell me this is not gonna work. But no, in the end, on the 4th or 5th trial, I managed to get it to work, got to 99.9%, stayed there for about 10 minutes, and then it loaded, and then all of my stuff copied across fine. So now we're done. Here is my Galaxy S9 Plus. It's so lovely. Yeah, so I cleaned it all off, got rid of the fingerprint marks and the sticker marks, and I put it in this clear, I think, silicone plasticky case. I'm not really sure what it is. It's kind of plasticky, kind of not. But yeah, in this actually more like gel kind of case. And yeah, so it's protective. It's got like bits up around there to protect the camera, the top of the screen and everything. And I'm loving the headphone jack back. Using it today was so good. My sound actually came through a bit clearer, I think, because it didn't have a dongle. Generally, it looks super nice. And I've got my plain black pop socket on it. I did have a different pop socket, but it didn't work, sadly. I tried to use it on my old case and it kept coming off, so I threw it away. But yeah, I've got this plain black pop socket on there, and I think it works. Did I say plop socket? No, plain black pop socket on here, and I think it all looks really nice. And as you can see in some lights it's kind of blue, and in others it's kind of grey. So yeah, it's just really nice. This is my home screen. And yeah, so I'm gonna do a what's on my phone video probably next week. I'll also make a video about why I switched from iOS to Android. I'm loving this phone. I think it's absolutely stunning and it's worked so well so far. My battery life is better. I'm at 51% and it's 6 o'clock, and I've had this phone off of charge since 8:30. So it's gone 10 hours. I did have it off for a couple hours earlier, but I wasn't using it anyway, so it probably wouldn't have made that much of a difference, maybe 5%, 10% even. But yeah, I'm on 51% now and it's 6:01. And I've had it on for about 8 hours probably. And yeah, that is amazing battery. My iPhone would be on charge right now, like, or at least on 20%. So yeah, the battery's really good, the screen is incredible, and I just unlocked it with my face without realising. And there's so many cool features, and I will explain them all in my what's on my phone video, because this video is probably like 20 minutes long, because I don't want to bore you in one video. So yeah, they will all be my little features, how my phone looks, what apps I've got, because obviously things have changed big time, will all be on my what's on my phone video. So please subscribe to see that when it comes out, and hit the bell as well so you get notified, so you're not constantly waiting like, oh, I wonder what's on his phone. Well, if you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll find out next week. So yeah, do that. And cool, I hope you liked the video, and I know it's not your average unboxing and setting up, but hey, I love this phone and I hope you really enjoyed the video, and I really recommend it. So yeah, oh, I just did it again. So yeah, thanks, see you all next week, bye!